I'm in charge of dinner tonight. God help us all. This never happens. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna do something really indulgent and try to make paratha. First, you're gonna boil a whole lot of potatoes. Sift your flour. So, this is the really hard part. It takes a lot of upper body strength. We need Auntie's help already, and it's been 5 minutes.
1, 2, 3, go.
So you're gonna coat it up in oil, like a buttery, oily little baby. Now you're going to take off all the skin of your potatoes while listening to some music. So if you have a food processor, this would be a great time for that. Vitamix, anything. If you don't, you just take a rock and you mushy, mushy, mush, mush. Okay, so this is standard green chili pepper. You're going to half them. Careful of your fingers, Monica. And then you're going to get them teeny, teeny, teeny like this. Really make sure that after you cut up your green chilies, you don't touch your face or anything on your body, because these are spicy hot. They're not as spicy as Thai chili peppers. That's my baby eating a raw chili pepper.
We fry garlic in the hot oil.
Fry some garlic. And then add your chili peppers.
Turmeric.
Add your turmeric. Coriander powder. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. Wait, say it again. Cumin powder, jeera. And, okay, this is salt, noon. And last but not least is, I don't know the English word, timur. It's a Himalayan special, like, kind of pepper. I forget what it's called. Timur. But I don't know the English name. Now we're gonna add the potato. Add lots of fresh coriander. If you don't like coriander, obviously, or cilantro, just skip this step. We love it. Okay, so at this point, you've got all your herbs. They're all fried up with mustard oil. Yummy deliciousness. We're adding a little bit more salt to ours because we like things salty. Stop! Okay, so you've got your dough setting. You've got your flour to kind of set the stage. You've got your herby herbs and your center filling. Get ready for what's next. So you're gonna take your little dough ball, you're gonna roll it out, okay? Then you're gonna take your little potato shmush, put it in the center, and then wrap it up in the middle, boom chicka boom, roll it up again, dip it, and roll it out. Boom. Got yourself a beautiful aloo paratha. This is my son. We're gonna put it on the hot plate. Get it nice and perfectly cooked. Okay, you want me to eat one? Okay, so now we're gonna taste. It's kind of like a potato latke mixed with a roti. It is so freaking good. It is so good. It rivals pizza, you guys. It's just as good as pizza. You are going to char your tomatoes over the fire. Get them nice and brown and fiery. So you take that charred tomato and mix it in with some fresh mint, some green chili pepper, some salt, and a little bit of coriander. And this is the best tasting chutney in the whole world to dip your paratha in. It's pure deliciousness. Okay, tell everyone what you just said.
This is by far the best dinner that I had in my quarantine period.
Woo! That's what I was going for, baby. Team effort.